welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video, you guys, and today I've decided to film a very cute grocery haul because growing up I've been obsessed with food and I've had a very evolved taste palette. I mean, when I say an evolved taste palette, I mean I wasn't one of those kids who was very picky about food and was just like, I'm not gonna eat this, I'm not gonna eat that. And I mean, all credit to my parents, because whenever I just wanted to have something, they give me a variety and bunch of stuff. And I can eat everything from Karela Loki to a good Pan Asian meal to a good paratha to a good dal chawal. Dal chawal is my favorite, okay guys. But yeah, I mean, I'm basically a person who's obsessed with food recipes, food hauls, grocery shopping, and when they say little joys of life, I mean it's food. Basically, I think food in general is a therapy dupe for me, because the whole process of making a meal, eating a meal, and then unwinding the whole kitchen is also very therapeutic for me. I process a lot of things while making food, and I think food has been a very important factor in my life. And clearly I'm obsessed with food, and I'm doing a cute grocery haul today, and I hope you like it. So I've sectioned my whole grocery haul into breakfast, snacks, and some sauces and masalas. Yeah, I'm obsessed with masalas. And then I'm going to end it with cute green teas. I'm not obsessed with green tea. It's my mom and dad. They just think that green tea solves everything. Like, you eat a bad meal and then you have green tea and it's going to solve it. So quickly, I'm going to start with everything that's breakfast basically. First in the list for breakfast is oats for me. I mean, I suffer from bloating, and I think that oats is the best breakfast in the entire world. I mean, breakfast makes and breaks your day. So if you have a good breakfast, I think you can have a good entire day without feeling heavy or gassy. So I eat oats with veggies because I don't have a sweet tooth. And more on the other days, I eat oats with banana. Yeah, then I have poha, and my sister really enjoys eating granolas and mueslis. Then yeah, I have yoga barkai peanut butter, and this coffee is hands down the yummiest coffee ever. I mean, I don't know why nobody's talking about it yet, and it's always on some really amazing offer in Reliance. So I mean, if you're a coffee person, you just have to try this cafe. So next I have a lot of noodles and snacks basically, because I have started enjoying these nights with my sister where I'm just watching a good anime movie, having noodles, chips, and soda, like Pepsi, Coke, Diet Coke basically. So for snacks, I got this Gekiki noodles. I mean, I saw this brand a lot on Zepto and Blinkit, so I tried it there and I kind of enjoyed it. It's a sasta version of the hot and spicy ramen. Then I have Maggi, the classic guilty pleasure. Then I have this Hakka veg noodles that I want to try. I haven't tried it. I mean, this time I wanted to try all the different noodles. Why? I surprisingly have never tried Why, and I kind of liked it. Then I have durum wheat ka pasta. For everyone who doesn't know what's durum wheat, it's suji. So it's a healthier version of the normal pasta, and I really like it. It takes longer to cook while you're boiling it, but I enjoy eating it. Then we have the Ching's noodles, Ching Chinese. I think I really like garlic in my food, and I want to try this. I haven't tried it. I'm going to try it now. Then I have these Hakka noodles, rice Hakka noodles. It's made from rice, and it's just noodles. It has no flavor in it, and you just have to cook it with soya sauce and everything. So I'm just okay, I'll try it. Next I have this real Thai rice vermicelli. So I've had these noodles in Pan Asian restaurants. So this time I just wanted to cook it myself. Chef Arushi. Yeah. So I wanted to like cook it myself. So I'm going to try this. And last on my snacks shopping is the spaghetti. I mean, spaghetti over pasta any day, you guys. I mean, I love cooking spaghetti, and yeah, this is my favorite snack ever. Then next I have is sauces. Sauces can actually make and break your meal. I mean, a good sauce and everything is done. I feel that. So I have Szechuan chutney from Ching's. Yeah, I think I don't know why did I shop a lot from this Ching's section. Then I have ये एक brand है इंडी की green chutney for everything that's samosa and savories basically. Then I have a red chili sauce. Then I have olives. I really enjoy the taste of olives. Then I have chili vinegar. It basically has a chili in it, and I don't know. I love spicy food, you guys. Then I have this mustard sauce. Next I have is a lot of masalas that I never knew can make and break a meal. I mean, my mom actually is obsessed with masalas. We have chole ka masala, palak mirchi ka masala, we have aloo ki sabzi ka masala. I didn't even know that existed. I mean, I thought that aloo ki sabzi had just like namak and mirch into it, but this is proper masala to it. So I got oregano from this brand called Only. It has amazing masalas. I've like finished it, of course, but this time I got a lot of garlic ka masala powder. This is from Only. It's too good, you guys. Also, I have this 100% dried oregano from this brand called Solar. It's amazing and it's yum. Then I have the pizza oregano from Only. Like this brand only, like this brand only is too good, you guys. You should try it. And next, I am obsessed with cheese. So I have a lot of, this is the cheese from Britannia. Then this next cheese is from Moing. This is the cheese slices like these. Then I have the natural cheese that I like, too good. I mean, of all the cheeses, I think the Gouda is the best, and it's from the brand Moing. Also I'm ending this haul on a very healthy note with some peach tea, green tea from this brand called Cham Raj, and I have the strawberry flavor, and I have a raspberry flavor, and also a black currant tea also. I mean, I'm obsessed with flavors in general, but I'm not obsessed with green tea. It's my mom and dad who just think that, yeah, everything solves with green tea. That's all for my grocery haul, you guys. I hope you liked it, and if you liked, then please do leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please share it with your friends. Also, do leave a comment if you have any suggestions or any ideas of what kind of content you want to watch next. I'd love that. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.